Hi guys, I thought I'd just share a really super quick, easy little embellishment you can make for your junk journals or tags or, layers in clusters or even using as little gift tags. And they're super duper easy and quick. What these are, they're just little stamp images that I've cut out of stamp auction catalogs, and then I just ink around the edge with some just Tim Holtz vintage photo distress ink, and I back them onto coffee dyed paper, punch a hole, and they turn out super duper cute. So I mean, they're only paper, they're not cardboard. I mean, they're a bit thicker where you glue the image on, but they turn out super duper cute, and look how gorgeous they are. So what I've been using them for, those teeny tiny little top corner tuck spots in junk journals, and I also use them to send out on little packages for my Etsy store, or for racks or little freebies or anything like that, and they just make the packages look really cute and rustic. And so the reason I'm showing these, somebody asked me when they got a little package, where I bought these from. So I didn't actually buy them, I just make them. I sit there at night. Let me just move those aside a tick. So I've got this little box that I've sat there at night, and I just chop up all of these little stamp and envelope images from some old auction catalogs that my father gave me. He's been a long time stamp collector, and he's given me all the catalogs, and there's gorgeous pictures in there. Look at that, of old envelopes, old documents, stamps. They're really beautiful. And sometimes, if it's something that's a whole big collection, it could be wartime letters or something like that, they'll give a little bit of a background on the story behind them. They're quite interesting to read. There's all different languages, but they're really gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous stamp images. So I just sit there at night in front of the TV, chopping them up. So I've chopped up, as you can see, heaps. Sorry, let me zoom down. There's quite a big container that I've chopped up of all little stamps, envelopes. Some of them I make postcards out of as well. So this is just one of the catalogue images that I've just stitched on my sewing machine onto some heavily coffee dyed paper, and they just make gorgeous little postcards to put into junk journals. They're only paper. You can put them onto cardboard if you prefer that, but I just wanted to keep them nice and simple and easy. So anyway, because I've had a few queries about them already, I thought I'd make some and put a couple of packs into my little Etsy store. So that's what they look like. They're just coffee dyed paper. So maybe I'll put packs of, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, I don't know. But they're all super duper cute. I just love them. And I've got itty bitty little ones. Like that, look at that. It's so gorgeous. I really love it. Little itty bitty ones and some bigger ones. Different shapes, sizes, square, long rectangles. Anyway, these are the little stampy ones. I might also make some with the envelopes, because the little mini envelopes, oh, where are they? They're probably at the bottom of the pile, but they're also, oh, here's some. The little mini envelopes are also super cute as well. If you've watched any of my junk journal videos, you'll always see these little guys. I put them onto paper or cardboard, ink the edges and put them in junk journals. I just think they're gorgeous. Anyway, I'm going to put a few packs of these into my Etsy store since I've had a few queries about them. If you're interested. But if you want to make your own, if you don't have an old stamp catalogue, just collect some old postage stamps that you get in the mail, and you can just use those as well. They're like so easy to make. It's really good little project when you're lazy and don't want to do anything too big, or you don't want to give it much thought. Anyway, that's it. Thought I'd share those. Thanks for watching. Bye.